I always say when you're trying to convince someone that is so vehemently against you, it's always good to bring a data point to the table, right? To show that it's not just your emotion and your desire, but it's actually hard fact. And numbers do a good job of that. So if through COVID you guys have accomplished certain goals, or have kept productivity the same, and you have some way to prove that, I would definitely bring that to the table.
Documentation of what it is that you do every day and really showing that you're able to set a goal and achieve a goal is very important, along with getting some industry analyst information around what is other organizations doing that are similar to yours in size. I mean, I wouldn't say, hey, go pick an Amazon and try to compare it with your organization unless your organization is in a similar production or vertical as your organization. But this next thing you can do is sometimes managers really want to have people close to them so that they can understand. Because if you remember Amanda, even she, when she first had to go to remote working, she's a very people person. She needs to feel the vibes. He's very likely, or she is needing to understand how to get closer to his employees. And the only way he knows how to do that is through seeing people face to face. So maybe scheduling more one-on-ones or a couple of additional meetings where you can start building that rapport remotely that use the same kind of rapport that you might have had in person.